tuned to this. Okay, these next few weeks I'm going to show you some arpeggios. They're Yngwie based. He uses them. He's pretty much the dude that came up with them, aside from maybe like the gypsy jazz guys, but we're not going that route. We're going to keep it strictly Yngwie vibes. So let's just get stuck into it. There's 3 shapes, and they cover the whole neck. So A minor looks like this. You've got an A minor triad here, and that's A, C, and E. You got one here, which is E, A, and C. You got one here, which is C, E, A. And then you're pretty much back to an octave, which is A, C, and E. Now, all we're doing is, that this first one I'm going to show you, is we're adding another octave. So A, C, E, and A. What are the frets, I hear you ask? G string is 14. You've got B at 13. You've got high E at 12. And then you've got high E 17. I'm going to show you 2 ways to play it, starting with the lowest note going up, and also starting with the highest note going down. The picking, I think, stays the same, but, you know, it's just good to cover all your bases. So, going up, it's going to look like this. You're going to start with your sweep, more or less. So you've got bop, 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 3 downs in a row. Bop, 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 and you can, you rake your right hand through. Da, da, da. And you come up here, and you've got your high note on the 17th fret. Pull off. And you have an up stroke on the C note, 13th fret of the B string. And then down, down, down. Up stroke, pull off, up. If you need to practice some isolation type vibes, here's one of them. So, up stroke, pull off, up. Pull off, up. Up, pull off, up, down, 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 up, pull off, up. Nice and slow. One more time. So if we start with the highest note and go down, picking remains the same, everything remains the same, it's just might feel a bit weird. So you got up, pull off, up, down, down, down. So one way, or the hardest one is this guy. And that's going to be down on the highest note, up, up, up. So these are 6 noters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But these are 4 noters. And you'll hear Yngwie do like yeah, so that's where the 4 noters come in. They're tough. They're tough, but you got to do this stuff if you want to play like Yngwie. So, the second one. So, knowing what we know about this one, let's take the next shape. So we've got an E note here, 12th fret, high E, to a C, which is the 8th fret. We have an A here, 10th fret B string. And we have an E note on the 9th fret G string. Use these fingers. So this first finger goes here to here. Up, pull off, up, down, down, down. Got it? This one I don't like at all. There's always going to be one shape or one fingering that's just like, oh, you son of a bitch. For me, this is the one. Your C note at the 8th fret here is your highest note. And then you've got everything barred on the 5th fret, which is the high E is going to be an A note You've got the 5th fret B string. It's going to be an E note. And then you've got a C note here at the 5th fret G. People talk about rolling this first finger because you want to separate the notes. You don't want them to... You want that separation. That's why I do like to palm mute these, even if it's light, just to get them a little bit separated. But I don't think you'll ever hear me do these in a improv situation. I'd rather do full sweeps because I've got a little cheaty. Anyway, I digress. Where were we? So, we'll start with the highest note. Up, pull off, up, down, down, down. I have seen dudes do stuff like that where they, to get the separation, they'll do something like that, where instead of rolling this first finger, they'll just go like, they'll use your second finger here on the B string, then their first one again. That type of vibe. You do what you want to do. I'm here to help. I'm here to pass you the baton. You're the one that's got to run the rest of the way. So, one more time, descending, up, pull off, up, down, down, down. Or ascending, down, down, down. And you're probably going, okay, that's fine and dandy. You didn't cover the whole neck. Well, look, it's all based on octaves now. So this one we did here, it's now down here. You're just using an open string at one stage. So you got your A note here to an open A, and you've got B string 1, G string 2. I've never seen anybody do it there. You totally can though, but your other octave one is this one here, up here at the 17th. And your highest one is this guy, which is here. And there you have it. That is A minor. And like I said, the hard ones are the 4-noters. So that's it in A minor, covered. Next week's video will be the same exact arpeggios, but in E minor. Just kind of give you... I'll put them in E minor as well, only because the lowest 2 strings on a 6 string are the A and the E. And if you notice in metal, like all the songs are written in either A or E because they're the 2 lowest, you know. So there you go. All right, I will talk to you in the next video. Take care and bye.